what we did. I called it Wonderful White Rice Casserole, and basically we took 2 cups of white rice, which in my opinion is a perfect amount, and then basically we took frozen peas and carrots and layered that, and then 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup, and then a package of fresh mushrooms, which are my favorite. I don't know about you, Birgit, but
oh yeah.
Ooh. Anyway, and then we didn't use cheese in this recipe, considering next week is my birthday, so I need to save all the calories I can. Anyway, then we put that in the oven at 350 and baked it for 30 minutes, and that's going to be my lunch.